Good morning, class. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you had a nice weekend, and that you're all safe and sound and happy. I am going to click us into our learning module. And this week, the suggested due date for assignments was today. If you didn't turn in your annotated bibliography, that's okay. Just communicate with me through email and let me know whether or not you need extra time. But as you know, we're in Learning Module 3, which I'm clicking on. And let's just open up this document so that we can all follow along. And when we open up this document, you'll see that the majority of the suggested due dates have been completed. So the suggested due dates, again, are in the right-hand column. Once you complete something, you put an X over here just to indicate that you completed it. So at this point, many of you completed step 14, which is the annotated bibliography. Some of you have not, which is fine. But this is where I'm hoping most of you are, so that you're on track, because our semester is winding down really fast. Remember, I need all of your documents by May 12th. So please make sure I get everything. So let's go over step 15, which is your final step. And in this final step, we'll go through a detailed look at what you should do for students who log into the live Zoom session, which is optional, but it has been helpful for many of the students. So if you come in on Wednesday, I've already activated the link and updated it. I sent it a few minutes ago. So that Zoom link is scheduled for 10 a.m. on Wednesday, where we'll discuss this number 15 in detail. So the course reflection, don't think of it as a writing assignment, but if you prefer to write, then that's fine. But your course reflection serves as a way for you to show your learning and your experience throughout this time period. This has been a unique semester, and because of the circumstances we've gone through, I want you to go ahead and reflect on the readings, the writings, and the critical thinking connected with this module 3, and then go ahead and work on your final reflection. In that final reflection, before you start working, I want you to click on all of these examples, because you'll see that there are unique examples of what I'm looking for. So it's not necessarily an actual course reflection journal that we've done before. You can be creative and write a poem, you can write a letter, you can submit to this contest that I've listed down here. Sorry, my dog. Barking at dogs in the background in the neighborhood. I opened up windows because it's so gorgeous out. So anyway, you can create, and then you'll go to the final course reflection folder, which is the last piece in that module, the last assignment that you'll see in that module. It again summarizes what I have in that Word document chart. And then when you're ready to submit, you would then go ahead and upload your assignment over here. So, oops, sorry. So you would submit to me as you would submit your typical assignments. So remember, on Wednesday, I'm going to go back to announcements. I just posted this Zoom link for 5/6. So now, sorry, I'm scrolling too fast. Between now and Wednesday, brainstorm what you think you'd like to do for your final reflection journal. And then if you're able to attend the Wednesday meeting, the Wednesday optional Zoom session at 10 a.m., tell me what your idea is, and I can work with you to figure out if you need to refine your idea or if you should just start. So I hope that helps. Assignment suggested due date has the suggested due date of next Monday, which is May 11th. So again, try to stay on schedule. If you're missing any assignments in the module for me, then please turn those in before you start working on the final reflection. I hope you all have a good week, and I look forward to seeing many of you on Wednesday. Have a good day. Bye.